Assalamualaikum students, welcome to MDCAT with SK. First MCQs, which of the following is not a state function? So correct option B, work is not a state function. Next MCQs, the number of molecules in 22.4 dm cube of any gas at STP is, so correct option A, 6.02 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23. Next is the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4. So H2SO3 many 6 and plus 2. So correct option B, plus 4. Next MCQs, which of the following has highest ionization energy? So correct option D, neon has highest ionization energy. Next MCQ, the molecular shape of ammonia is, तो correct option D, pyramidal है इसकी. Next MCQ, color of copper sulfate dot 5H2 is due to, correct option copper ions. Next, the gas which deviates most from ideal behavior is, so correct option C, ammonia. Next MCQs, the pH of pure water at 25 degrees centigrade is, correct option 7. Next, which of the following acid is weakest? So correct option A, HF is the weakest acid. Next, the type of hybridization in CH4, so correct option C, sp3. Next MCQs, which of the following solution will have the highest boiling point? So correct option C, 0.1 molar calcium chloride. Next MCQ, the oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr2O7 is, so chromium का ऑक्सीडेशन ऐसे होगा कि 7 ऑक्सीजन है, -2 है तो -14, ये +1 होता है, +2 बन जाएगा इसका, +2 Cr, ये -12 एंड 2 Cr, -12 इस साइड पे जाएगा तो 2 इधर डिवाइड होगा तो +6 इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन डी. Next MCQ, which of the following is not a colligative property? So surface tension is not a colligative property. Next MCQs, when pressure increases the solubility of gases in liquids, so correct option A, increases. Which bond has greatest polarity? So correct option B, HF, because fluorine has greater electronegativity in the periodic table. So more electronegative element, more will be the chances of polarity. Next MCQ is the number of moles in 4 gram of H2 gas is, so correct option A, 1. Next MCQ, the law of conservation of mass was given by, correct option B, Lavoisier. Next MCQs, the empirical formula of glucose is, so correct option B, CH2O. So C6H12O6 इसका मालिकुलर फार्मूला है, तो इसमें C कॉमन 6 कॉमन आ जाएगा तो CH2O बन जाएगा हमारे पास. नेक्स्ट, विच गैस लॉ शोज दैट प्रेशर इज इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वॉल्यूम? सो प्रेशर इज इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल इन बॉयल्स लॉ. Next MCQs, which element has the highest electronegativity? So fluorine has highest electronegativity. Next MCQs, which of the following is a strong electrolyte? So correct option A, sodium chloride is a strong electrolyte. Next MCQs, which type of reaction is, so CH4 plus 2 O2 CO2 plus 2 H2O. So this is combustion reaction. मीथेन की कंबशन हो रही है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. नेक्स्ट, द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट रिप्रेजेंट द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. नेक्स्ट MCQ, द मोलर वॉल्यूम ऑफ आइडियल गैस एट STP इज, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, 22.4 liter. Next MCQs, the hybridization of beryllium in beryllium chloride is, so beryllium in beryllium chloride it will be sp because it is linear. अगर हम बेरिलियम क्लोराइड का स्ट्रक्चर देखें तो ये लीनियर होता है, इसी वजह से इसमें sp होती है. नेक्स्ट MCQ, द हाफ लाइफ ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन डिपेंड्स ऑन, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी रेट कांस्टेंट ओनली. Next MCQ, which of the following has maximum electron affinity? So correct option A, fluorine has highest electron affinity. Next MCQs, the SI unit of energy is, correct option A, joule. Next MCQ, oxidation number of iron in Fe2O3. So आयरन का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर जो भी हो तो हम उसको, ऑक्सीजन है, ऑक्सीजन का -2 होता है तो 3 है तो -6 आ जाएगा, तो -6 इस साइड पे जाएगा, प्लस का हो जाएगा तो 2Fe = 6. 2 इधर डिवाइड होगा, इस साइड पे डिवाइड होगा तो हमारे पास Fe = +3. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी +3. नेक्स्ट MCQ, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एम्फोटेरिक? एम्फोटेरिक मीन विच एक्ट एज बोथ एसिडिक एंड बेसिक. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए, Al2O3. नेक्स्ट MCQ, एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ क्लोरीन इज, क्लोरीन का एटॉमिक नंबर इज 17. नेक्स्ट MCQ, द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ H2SO4 इज, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी 98. नेक्स्ट MCQs, which of the following is a noble gas? So helium is a noble gas. Next, the valency of nitrogen in NH3 is, so the valency of every element remains same as like nitrogen, so some cases it may be changed. Next MCQs, the main constituent of natural gas is, so natural gas is mainly composed of methane, which is all about 85%. Next MCQ, which of the following compound is least soluble in water? So least soluble is silver chloride. Next MCQ, the reaction between acid and base is called, so neutralization reaction, जिसमें salt और water बनता है. Next MCQ, which of the following metals is most reactive? So correct option B, potassium is most reactive among the following. Next MCQs, the law of definite proportion was given by, so correct option B, Prost. Next MCQs, the process used to separate ethanol and water is, so correct option B, distillation. Next MCQs, the lightest element is, so lightest element is the hydrogen. अगर हाइड्रोजन ना होता तो it will be lithium. Next MCQ, the catalyst in the Haber process is, so Haber process में catalyst है iron. Next MCQs, which of the following is an endothermic process? So correct option A, melting of ice is an endothermic process. बाकी जो हैं सारे वो exothermic हैं. Next MCQs, the product formed when sodium react with H2 is, so sodium when react with H2O it will form sodium hydroxide and H2O. Correct option A. Next MCQs, the charge on सल्फेट आयन इज, सल्फेट आयन पे -2 होता है, SO4 2 नेगेटिव. नेक्स्ट इज द कलर ऑफ फिनफ्थलीन इन बेसिक मीडियम इज, so it is pink in basic medium. Next MCQ, which of the following is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mean it composed of same components as like air. Next MCQ, the SI unit of pressure is, correct option A, Pascal. Next MCQs, reaction in which heat is released is called, एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन। नेक्स्ट MCQs, द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इन ऑक्सीजन एटम्स। सो ऑक्सीजन का एटॉमिक नंबर 8 होता है, तो उसमें प्रोटॉन भी 8 होंगे।